right, crew. Good morning. We're back at it. Day 2. I slept good last night. Whenever I got a little nippy, I cut that little space heater on, and it did the job for sure. So we're gonna keep walking here, see if we can find some rusty gold. We did find one gas pump yesterday. That worked out good. I brought a little Coke machine. Hopefully I get rid of that today too. So we're up here on top of the hill with Day 3, and we're gonna walk around, see what we can find. They go to steering column. Those GM steering column. And they got the key? Okay, I see, yeah. So those are the ones with the key. That's what we use. Hey there.
Hey, how are you?
Good, old school, like our army. Look at that little pump. It'd be a nice little restoration.
Well, you said you didn't want to short.
I don't know. I like those. I like how these look.
You said your short days is on?
But I like that style though.
Yeah, nice and wide, ain't it?
That's Bennett. They're Bennett's.
Are they Bennett's?
Yeah.
2,300 on the pumps.
Is that for both?
Yep.
Saw those little cabs. They was there this spring. All right, now this guy here hasn't even he just got here. And you see, this is the top of the hill. We're coming down. Try to see what this guy's about here. Look like he got some nice gas pumps up here. And since Worthy will start looking at the stuff in the car corral, this big old pump there. All right. So we try to call this number and see if he's here. Good deal. Pretty cool right there. Alright, Chris, so this is one of the bounty that we actually caught yesterday. This is, I tell you what, right now, out of all the pumps I've seen about 6 or 7 of them, and this is probably the best pump that's in the whole Carlisle. And we also is a very reasonable price on it, and we got it. So that's gonna be a good tall pump there to restore. We still got a few items. I got this one item here. That's the vending Coca-Cola. And hopefully we get rid of that, and then we can get something else in its place. That looked like a boat chair. I thought it was a barber chair. Look cool. Look at that little, it look like a torpedo. That's pretty neat.
there a couple weeks ago. Wasn't there on Wednesday. I went back on Thursday and there was cops getting. I'm like, how in the heck did they pull out?
All right, crew. I tell you what, we've had a long day today. I've been filming off and on because it's. I'm gonna be honest with you. This, swap meet this year for the fall, it is just not that many people here. I don't know what's going on, but it's supposed to be a really bad storm coming in this weekend. Maybe that's what's keeping people away. But there are so many empty spaces. This is my first time coming down to Carlisle, and there's been so many empty spaces. And you guys know I'm gonna tell you like it is. I'm gonna tell you the truth about everything. Of course, the swap meet is still great for me. I mean, I love seeing all the different stuff. There's still a lot to see here because it's acres of stuff. And I heard even like next week they're having a Hershey, which I don't think that's gonna be very productive neither, because that's supposed to be really bad hurricane coming through, and I think it's gonna hurt a lot. But anyway, this is what we've done today, guys. We did see a lot of stuff. I covered a lot of stuff because it's not that much to see compared to normal. And like I said, I'm gonna turn you guys around here. As you can see in the back of me, all the empty spaces though. Right here, all the empty spaces. All right, all those empty spaces. Normally we can walk that, and I would not be able to see that in one day. So I hope you guys have enjoyed all the video, guys. For me camping out and stuff, roughing it. That's what you really call roughing it. So I'm gonna let you guys go. This is gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Appreciate you guys joining me this weekend. And like I always tell you guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.